Today's video is all about quadratic formula, and it's the one down here, which goes like negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, everything divided by 2a. Quadratic formula is used to solve quadratic equations like the one we have here to solve 4x squared plus 7x minus 12 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. So to find the value of x in a quadratic equation like this, the first thing that you should know is the first thing that you have known is the quadratic formula, right? You've got it, you have known it. So the second thing is to know the values of a, the value of b, and the value of c. And to know that, you have to write this quadratic equation in its general formula, in its general form, which is a x squared plus bx plus c, which is the constant, is equal to 0. Then to simplify it, or to be able to obtain the values of a, b, and c, you just have to write this equation here, down here, 4x squared plus 7x minus 12 is equals to 0. Then from there, you just obtain the values of a with the one that is down, this one. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 7, c is negative 12. So with the values of a, b, and c, it becomes simple for you to do the substitution in this formula. So the formula tells us that the value of x is the negative of b. Our b is 7. So the negative of 7 is negative 7. Then plus or minus the square root of b squared. The square root of b squared, our b is 7, that means 7 squared. Then minus 4. Then times a. Our a is 4, that means times 4. Then times our c. Our c is negative 12. 4 times negative 12. Then everything divided by 2a. A means 2 times a. Our a is 4, that means 2 times 4. The second step, you say x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus. Then 7 squared is 49. Then you multiply these three numbers. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 12 is positive 192. So 49 plus 192. Then over 2 times 4 is 8. So the next step, you see that x equals negative 7 plus or minus, then you want these two numbers. The square root of 49 plus 192 is 241. 241 divided by 8. The next step, you say that x is equals to negative 7 plus or minus square root of 241 is 15.52, then over this 8. So upon reaching this stage, I'd like you kindly to pay attention here. You have, because of this plus and minus, that means we have two values of x. So that one means that you have to split this equation to two parts. So this one becomes x is equal to negative 7. The first part will be when 15.52 is positive. So 15.52 over 8. You can solve that one first, and then split the other one, negative of 7. So x is equals to negative of 7 plus or minus. Now this one is for when 15.52 is negative, minus 15.52 then over 8. So x, the first value of x is equals to negative 7 plus 15.52 is negative, is the answer is 8.52 over is 8. So take your calculator and divide 8.52 divided by 8. The first value of x should be 1.065. That's the first value of x. The second value of x is when this one is negative. So negative 7 minus 15.52 should be, the answer is negative 22.52. Then divided by 8. Take your calculator and press negative 22.52 divided by 8, and your answer you should get as negative 2.815. So and the values of x are 1.065 and negative 2.815, and that's how we find the x values in the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Kindly don't forget these steps to miss out to find the value of x in a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Thanks for watching.